Hello everyone and welcome. Just an incredibly short update today because there's not much to tell, nothing new. I'm sitting in my hallway right now and the ceiling is also done here and isolated and absolutely everything, along with the really small bedroom over here, which is technically an office because I can't even designate it legally as a bedroom. But along with the previously completed, which has an echo bedroom and the bathroom that was already shown, all the living space, sort of, in the upstairs is completely covered in drywall. So that just leaves, let me just show you. I think it's better. That flip the camera and that just leaves the staircase going down, as well as my tower up there. But you can already see that I've gotten to mount two sheets over there. And in the next video, I will show you how I use the winch to get my drywall sheets up there. This is just the power cord, don't mind it. All right, well, that's it for this incredibly short video. Let me flip the camera. Not much to see here, and I really wanted to make this a longer video, but there is not much to show you yet. No major technical challenges or anything else to overcome. We just repeated the steps that we showed you in the previous videos, and that's it. Next time, I promise I'll show you how we use the winch to get big drywall sheets up there, because we tested it out yesterday. We pulled one sheet up today, and it's relatively slow, but at the same time fast, considering that it's just me and my wife doing all the work. So yeah, it's done as quickly as it needs to be without putting too much strain on ourselves, and without much further ado, we are still way on track to finish what we wanted to do this year. And without further ado, I thank you for sticking till the end of this very short update. And if you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.